Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on see this is gigabyte.com and this is search box. Just click on it and enter your model number of motherboard Z790S Wi-Fi DDR4. Then enter hit DDR4. Then enter hit enter. Then you can see there are two. So both same. Just click first. Click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. Okay, so both if you are using any but installations process same, select any, no. Chipset, so extract chipset. After that, see intel serial driver and click to download. And after downloaded, open this folder and you have to this extracted, so double click and then yes. So it is install and close it. Then Intel INF installations and click to download. Completed. After that, open it, then double click on, then click on yes. Now this is installing. And then install it and then close.